I think the exam was tough and you need good preparation to crack it.
Yeah.
But academically prepared as well.
As we have studied from academically, so for us the exam was very easy.
And mostly students they have told me that 80% of the questions were from the mocks, from the recalls. In fact,
Yes,
same
yes,
as
ma'am.
it is question. So, hello everyone. It's a great day today. As you all know that the opera result March 2025 is finally out, and our students have excelled. They have done amazing job. They have cleared the exam, and today we have with us Ishan and Pushkar. So the best part is that they are friends. I think from your college time, right?
Yes,
ma'am.
That's great. So first of all, many congratulations to both of you.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank
That's
you.
great. So how are you feeling, guys? We will start with Ishan. How are you feeling? How did you start your journey with academically, and how did you choose opera exam?
Thank you so much, ma'am. First of all, it's a great feeling, obviously. And when I was like in the starting, I was confused that where to do the preparation, how to do the preparation. And then I just searched YouTube about it. And then you were the first one whose YouTube short I have seen. And you were providing guidelines about the Australia.
The exam, yeah.
And I was really impressed with the way you were talking. And I have also seen Dr. Akram Ahmad's videos as well. And I'm thankful to all the academically staff and the program manager, Shohini ma'am as well. She also helped us in like all the technical issues
Yes.
and academic issues were helped by our teachers. And we have taken the crash course, so they might not know us, but we are forever thankful to them for helping.
That's great. Pushkar, what about you? How has your journey been? How did you decide? So Ishan suggested you. Tell us your story.
Actually, Shan suggested me that he is doing so and so preparation for there is an exam called Opera, and we can go in Australia and work there. So I was confused, and I one day asked him, "Where do you are studying?" Then he said, "I am studying from academically. It is the best platform from where you can study." So
Yeah.
then I researched and show various YouTube videos. Then I am convinced that yes, we can study from here.
That's great. That's so wonderful,
ma'am.
because I think friends ही ऐसे होते हैं जो आपको थोड़ा सपोर्ट करते हैं, वो आपको बताते हैं कि क्या करना है, नहीं करना है. तो आप लोग
Yes,
वैसे
ma'am.
हो कहाँ से? Where do you guys live?
We are from Haryana, ma'am.
Okay, you both are from Haryana.
Yes.
Yes.
That's really nice. So कैसा था? How was your journey with academically? How was your experience, like the courses, study material? Tell us about that a little.
I have to start or Pushkar will.
Any one of you can start. It's according to your understanding. But if you want to start, Ishan, you can start.
Okay, ma'am. So the journey was very great. Like I want to thank all the teachers who helped us throughout, and especially to Kiran ma'am. She was our pharmacology teacher, and she explained the topics very well. And no matter how many times we asked from her, she always solved our doubts. And I am very thankful, and hopefully academically will support us in the next journey as well for finding the internships.
Definitely. We never stop just with the results कि अब result आ गया है तो अब हो गया हमारा, ऐसा नहीं होता है. We are going to support you in future. We are going to guide you with the CV generation, with the cover letter, the jobs. So have you guys given your English proficiency? Pushkar, आपने English proficiency?
We are preparing now. We
Okay,
will
you're
give
preparing.
approximately on 16th.
Okay. So guys, आप लोग जैसे college में you were friends. So are you both were same or you both were different? कि आप लोगों का ऐसे साथ में कैसा था? How was? Tell us about your friendship.
We were actually like same in everything. Our preparation is same. Our marks are same always.
Oh.
And also we compared our exam, how exam our goes. So that was also mainly the same.
Teachers always are confused with us that you two have quite similar faces.
Yeah, actually, when I see you look like brothers, so इसलिए मैंने आपको आते ही पूछा कि आप लोग, are you guys together? Are you guys brothers? That's wonderful. So now, what is your next plan? What are you planning to do? When are you planning to move to Australia?
As soon as we get a visa.
Yes, it's also about visa. It's also about jobs. So you can start applying for the jobs from your home country.
I think
We are just now anxious about our internship. how we'll get an internship. So we are just anxious about that only now.
So have you done your B Farm or Farm D? What degrees?
B Farm.
B Farm, okay. Because in India, as we see, आप लोगों को भी पता होगा कि B Farm का क्या scope है नहीं है. So tell us about that a little.
No, there is not so much scope of B Farm. We can either do a business, or there is very little opportunity in job area. So our only
pharmacist is also not much in India, as you can see that on medical stores. I am not insulting my country for sure.
No, of course. I mean, we never insult our country. We are also from India. Dr. Akram is also from India. We just talk about the good opportunities that we get abroad. We are never going to disrespect, that is never the intention. We just talk about the good opportunities. और ऐसा थोड़ी है कि कोई बोल रहा है कि आप वहीं पे settle in हो जाओ. You can go earn some good money in pounds and dollars, and then you can come back. You can get some exposure. ऐसे भी लोग study abroad के लिए भी जाते हैं. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि वो इसलिए जाते हैं क्योंकि उनको इंडिया बेकार लगता है. Just to explore. हम भी किसी जगह से, for example, if I am from Ranchi, I have come to Delhi, I come to Mumbai. So we also come out. तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि हमारा city खराब है. So it's never like that. So how was the exam? Exam difficult था? Exam pattern कैसा था?
I think the exam was tough and you need good preparation to crack it.
Yeah.
But academically prepared as well.
As we have studied from academically, so for us the exam was very easy.
Just we both were 90%.
Really? Wow. पता है मैं सुबह से I have been taking interviews and मुझे mostly students they have told me that 80% of the questions were from the mocks, from the recalls. In fact, same as it is question.
Yes, as it is questions were there.
Yeah, that's great. So guys, just my last few questions, that any message do you have, any feedback do you have for academically, anything that you would like to say?
Yes, ma'am. If there is anyone who want to prepare for Oprah, he can join academically without any tension. He will get the best of the best coaching.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Anything, Ishan, that you would
the best thing about academically is that they solve every doubt. If we ask 100 times a doubt, they are going to solve it. Rather it's a technical issue or it's an technical issue, then they are going to solve it.
Yeah. And at the end, it's the effort from your side also that matters. आप लोगों ने भी उतना hard work किया है, उतना dedication दिखाया है, उतना trust दिखाया है हम पे. Because obviously जब आप इतने पैसे invest करते हो, आप अपना time invest करते हो, आप एक नए country के लिए जाना चाहते हो, it's always difficult. But you guys, as a friend also, it's so good to see you together. And I really hope आप लोग जल्दी से दोनों साथ में जाओ, मस्त बढ़िया job करो. I would really love to see that. Yes. And we will stay in touch academically. We'll stay in touch with you guys. So for any assistance, any help, you can always reach out to us. You have Shohini with your, as the program manager. So she's also going to be there. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for trusting us. Pushkar.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a good time, guys. Celebrate karo, party karo, maze karo.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.